What's up everybody, JT here, and today we're going to do a video on how to use bulk operations, a new tool that's been added to the MT5 platform. Now if you haven't already, please subscribe to us, and also if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. So the great thing about this is that let's say that you have long trades on, short trades on particular instruments. Some of them will maybe a little more short term versus other ones that are maybe a little bit more long term. You can close these out on the mobile app very easily. Also, let's say that you have something running really quickly and you can't go by one and just click them off, because I know that sometimes maybe you guys have experienced this, but let's say that you get into a trade and something starts moving super fast in your direction or against you, and you can't get out soon enough to either take your profit or cover your losses. This is a great tool that allows you to mitigate risk now in a much better fashion. Obviously, you want to have stop losses and take profits in place every time you enter into trades, if you can. But nonetheless, this is a great tool to allow you to literally close everything out with one swift click. All right, so without further ado, let's take a look at this. So currently, I've opened up some positions on both sides of the trade on several different instruments just to emulate the process. So on the top right here, to the right of positions, you'll see 3 dots. Now you want to make sure that you also have one-click trading enabled. So currently I do have that enabled, but make sure you have to have single-click trading enabled for you to take advantage of this process. All right. So right now what I'm going to do is show you a couple of the functions here. So when you go to positions, on the top right here, you'll see those 3 dots. You'll click that. And when you click that, you'll see where it says close all positions, close all profitable positions, and close all losing positions. So let's say you want to close out all your losing positions, you can do that. If you want to close out all your profitable positions, you can do that. Or if you just want to close everything out, you can do that with one swift click. If you click on each individual asset, like here is the euro dollar, I click that and I go down to the bottom where it says bulk operations. You can go to where it says close all positions. All those same 3 major things are still available for the overall spectrum, but then you can go and close all your euro dollar positions. You can close all the buy positions, or you can close by each individual one. Okay? Now, if you click on the buy, you'll be able to, on the bulk operations, you'll be able to close the buy positions. On the sell, you'll be able to go, when you go to bulk operations, close the sell positions only. So again, that might be helpful for people who have, let's say, a longer term short, but they are playing a bounce in the midst of that. That way they're not selling their longer term short position, but they are able to sell their long position. And let's say they're opening up multiple lots at different times. Okay, so let's put this into practice. Okay, let's take a couple stabs at this. So let's say that we want to close out our euro dollar longs. So what we'll go here is we'll click this right here and we'll go to bulk operations and we'll close the euro dollar buy positions. Click that and boom, they are gone. And then let's say that we want to close all of our profitable positions. So we'll right click this, close profitable positions, and we'll scroll down to the bottom here, right? We'll see those NASDAQ positions were profitable. So we'll click that, close profitable positions, and you can see that now those have been closed out. Okay. And then we can say, all right, this is awesome. So then let's go over here to the pound, and let's say we want to close all the pound positions. So we'll go to bulk operations and close the pound positions. And now all the pound, I think I clicked the I clicked one side, I believe, or the profitable ones. I think I closed the profitable ones. Let me go back here again, click this here, bulk operations, close pound cable positions. Okay, now you can see those are gone. And let's say I just want to close out the rest of my positions here. I can just click this and close all positions. Boom. And I am flat. So pretty easy, pretty awesome. Makes it much easier than going one by one, trying to figure out how to do this. So if you have any questions, just drop it in the comments. But if you like this video, please make sure to mash the like button and give us a follow. Thank you so much.